welcome to your full moon in Libra guided meditation and inquiry. Today, shortly after 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the full moon in Libra will peak. As I take you through this gentle meditation and inquiry, allow yourself to find a comfortable seat or lying position where you can relax fully. Once you arrive, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. Take in a nice deep inhale. And once more, exhale slowly through the mouth. One more nice deep inhale. Allow your belly to expand. Fill your lungs. And then exhale slowly through your mouth once more. At the bottom of that exhale, seal the lips. Continue to take nice deep inhales and exhales throughout this meditation. As we bask under the luminous glow of the pink full moon in Libra, we step into the energy of balance and renewal. This spring pink moon illuminates the scales of harmony between yourself and others, giving and receiving, independence and connection. Allow its soft, blooming light to wash over you as it brings peace and clarity. Allow yourself to release any tension with each exhale. And on each inhale, bring in that peace and clarity. Allow yourself to vision soft pink light, gentle, like the first spring flowers, surrounding your body, bringing you peace. Now let's start with a gentle body scan here. Just take your awareness to each body part as I call them out. Allow yourself just that brief moment to connect with that body part. No judgment, no overthinking. Starting at the toes, rolling through the bottom of the foot to the heel, to the ankles, to the calves, the shins, the kneecaps. Relax your thighs, relax your buttocks, your lower back, rolling up the spine. Soften the belly. Allow the ribs to relax. Shoulder blades pressed into the earth. Relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. Relaxing the neck, the jaw, the lips, the cheeks, the ears, the eyes, space in between the eyes, forehead, back of the head, the crown. Bringing your awareness back to the shoulders. Allow the shoulders to fall away from the ears, to relax the biceps, the triceps, the elbows, forearms, wrist, hands, back of the hands, fingers, and thumbs. Allow the body to relax. Now visualize yourself standing on a beautiful set of golden scales, perfectly balanced under the full moon. One side, you see your own needs, desires, and inner light. On the other, your connection with others, family, colleagues, friends, siblings. See them in gentle equilibrium, neither side tipping too far. Now breathe in this balanced image of perfect harmony. As the full moon shines brightly in Libra, feel its energy activating your heart center. Imagine a soft, glowing pink or white light expanding in your chest, radiating compassion, grace, and joy. This moon highlights relationships and partnerships. Allow any emotions, patterns, or dynamics that need attention to rise gently to the surface without judgment. The sign of Libra reminds us true harmony comes from within first. So breathe in balance, breathe out imbalance. Inhale, reciprocity. Exhale, one-sidedness. Inhale the beauty and peace, and exhale what no longer serves your highest connections. Now we move into inquiry. Ask yourself softly, where in my life do I feel out of balance now? What relationships or dynamics are asking for more balance, harmony, or healthy boundaries? What am I ready to release under this full moon? Old grudges, people-pleasing patterns, fear or conflict, or anything that disrupts my inner peace. And finally, what would true harmony look like for me in the coming cycle? Allow images or feelings or words to arise naturally, and trust whatever comes. With the moon's illuminating light, imagine placing whatever you're ready to release onto the scales, and watch as the energy gently dissolves into soft, pink moonlight. Allow it to be carried away with the breeze. Feel lighter, clearer, and more aligned. Now call in what you wish to cultivate: balanced relationships, graceful communication, beauty, and reciprocal love. See these energies flowing toward you like moonlight on water. And affirm silently or aloud, I am in harmony with myself and others. I give and receive with grace and balance. Take in a nice deep inhale, nice long exhale. And when you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring awareness back to your body and the space around you. Carry the sense of balance with you as the pink moon continues its journey. If you're able to sit longer, I invite you to do so. If you'd like to grab your journal and write down whatever has come up during this meditation, I invite you to do so. Thank you for joining this meditation, and may the Libra full moon bring you restored harmony and heart-centered clarity.